Yeah, so I was being an ass on LinkedIn again. This happened the other day. So this guy puts a post up, looks like this, announcing a product he's worked on, which I'll come back to. And then in the same post is this. So we've got a Python, it's Python code, we've got a dictionary object here, and then we've got SQL running on his library against the dictionary object and then producing results. So he's running SQL against Python objects, producing results. So we go back to his post, and what he says is, "This is what I see. I don't know this person at all. Like they're just someone like this who I know, and then because of LinkedIn's twisted logic or magic, excuse me, I see the post, right? Although it may look simple, it is the culmination of 2 years of work and 1,600 commits by dozens of contributors." And I'm like, this could be amazing. I mean, you could control rovers from Mars with that kind of technology investments. Are amazing. Okay, so what you see here is my open source project, blah, 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 writing or executing a SQL query on a Python dictionary. Writing from scratch, not very fast, not supposed to be. See it useful for unit testing or running SQL natively. No, no, no. I'm seeing likes from people. This thing got like 2,000 engagements, reactions, and people are asking questions like, "Oh, so I could use this, before the back end is done. I just want to be able to write." No, no, don't do that. So I post my opinion about this seeming like an enormous waste of time, and I get an exchange with a couple of the developers out of the large list. I want to be clear, like if you go to the GitHub link and actually look at what they've done, what they describe it, the way they describe this thing there is no dependency Python SQL parser, transpiler, and optimizer. It can be used to format SQL or translate between different dialects like blah, 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 blah. That makes sense to me. That is useful. That library. Imagine you have like a reporting system with a bunch of report scripts and SQL Server syntax, and you're going to move the back end to Postgres, and you need a way to convert that relatively easily to the new syntax. Great. Knock yourself out. That seems like a great use, very valuable. But running queries on objects in Python, no, there's a bunch of better ways to do that. But Eric, what if I just get started and I don't want to spin up my DB yet, but I want to be able to write SQL? No, do not do that. Okay, but like I want a way to have in my code, like I've pulled stuff out of the database, but I want to run to find one row because that'll be no, make a dict, hash lookups, way fast. But Eric, I want to no Panda SQLite. My computer science teacher said I have to use this library to write SQL against dicts in Python. That's the only way I can do it. You're gonna need to quit school.